Looking for the perfect acoustic guitar in 2024? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 best acoustic guitars to help you find your ideal match. Whether you're a beginner, a seasoned player, or someone upgrading their gear, these guitars offer exceptional quality, tone, and value for money. Stick around for expert reviews, sound demos, and tips to make the right choice for your musical journey. Number 5. The Fender FA25 Dreadnought Acoustic Guitar Kit is an excellent choice for beginners and casual players seeking affordability without compromising on quality. With its classic Dreadnought body shape, this guitar delivers a bold and resonant bass tone, making it perfect for genres like country, folk, and bluegrass. The all-laminate body with a spruce wood top and basswood back ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight, easy-to-play design. The C-shaped NATO neck and walnut fingerboard provide a smooth and comfortable playing experience, even for new players. Sealed gear tuning machines ensure precise tuning stability, and the walnut bridge enhances tone production. The kit includes a padded gig bag, stand, strap, picks, extra strings, and a free subscription to Fender Play, offering valuable lessons to build your skills. However, while the accessories are a nice addition, the padded gig bag is thin and doesn't offer much protection. Consider upgrading to a more robust bag if you plan to travel frequently with the guitar. Backed by Fender's 75-year legacy and a 2-year warranty, this kit is a fantastic entry-level option that offers excellent sound quality, style, and a complete beginner's package. Overall, it's a great value for aspiring guitarists, especially those just starting their musical journey. Number 4. The Donner 38-inch Rising G1 acoustic guitar is a well-crafted instrument blending modern materials with traditional aesthetics, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players. Its carbon fiber top and mahogany body combine durability and rich, warm tones, ensuring a unique sound and excellent resonance. The smaller 38-inch size and lightweight design make it comfortable to hold and perfect for travel or home use. The guitar's HPL fretboard and rounded frets offer a smooth, rust-free touch, providing a seamless playing experience. With a Gibson-style 24/3 to 4-inch scale length, it offers accurate playability suitable for diverse skill levels. Included accessories like a well-padded gig bag, strap with leather ends, extra strings, and tools ensure you're ready to play straight out of the box. Users rave about its lightweight build, modern aesthetics, and ease of tuning. The carbon fiber top not only adds to its sleek appearance, but also enhances its longevity, making it resilient to varying environmental conditions. However, some noted the gig bag lacks neck support, which could be a minor drawback for frequent travelers. With sound quality, durability, and portability at its core, the Donner Rising G1 offers exceptional value, especially with periodic discounts. It's a fantastic choice for learners, or as a reliable secondary guitar for experienced players. Number 3. The Yamaha FG800J NT is a standout acoustic guitar for beginners, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. Featuring a solid spruce top, this guitar produces a bright, balanced tone with impressive low-end projection, perfect for strumming and finger-picking alike. The NATO and mahogany back and sides add warmth and richness to the sound, while ensuring durability for long-term use. With a traditional Western Dreadnought body shape, the FG800J delivers a bold sound that resonates beautifully, making it ideal for a variety of musical styles. The rosewood fretboard and bridge enhance tone quality and provide smooth playability, while the fixed bridge system ensures stability and consistent performance. Users praise its rich sound and reliable craftsmanship, noting that it performs as well as guitars costing significantly more. Although the action, string height, could be slightly adjusted for enhanced playability, the overall build quality and tonal projection make it an outstanding choice. Whether you're strumming your first chords or exploring songwriting, the FG800J offers a comfortable, rewarding playing experience. Yamaha's meticulous attention to detail and use of quality materials make it a great value for its price. This guitar is an excellent investment for beginners or even as a secondary guitar for seasoned players. Number 2. The Taylor BT2 Baby Taylor acoustic guitar is an exceptional compact guitar designed for beginners and smaller players. With its mahogany top and layered sapele back and sides, it delivers warm, crisp tones despite its smaller size. The ebony fretboard ensures smooth playability, while the fixed bridge and bolt-on neck provide structural stability and easy adjustments. This guitar's short scale and lightweight design make it ideal for younger players or adults with smaller hands. It's highly portable, fitting comfortably in laps or small spaces, making it perfect for travel, camping, or casual jam sessions. Despite its size, the BT2 projects surprisingly loud sound with bright mid-range tones. While it sacrifices some low-end and sustain compared to full-size guitars, the rounded back compensates for resonance, ensuring a balanced tone suitable for various styles. Users appreciate the comfortable design, excellent craftsmanship, and tonal quality. The matte finish adds an understated elegance, and its durable construction holds up well over time. While the guitar doesn't include a strap, the Baby Taylor is a versatile instrument suited for both casual play and beginner learning. At its price point, the BT2 offers fantastic value, blending quality materials, portability, and sound performance. It's a highly recommended choice for beginners, kids, and anyone seeking a reliable travel companion. Number 1. The Martin GPC-11E Road Series Acoustic-Electric Guitar is a superb choice for musicians seeking a premium quality instrument that combines traditional craftsmanship with modern features. Constructed with a solid Sitka spruce top and sapele back and sides, this guitar delivers a warm, resonant tone with excellent balance and projection, ideal for genres ranging from folk to gospel. The GPC 14 fret body shape provides a comfortable playing experience, while the performing artist neck with a high-performance taper ensures smooth, fast fretting. The Fishman MXD electronics make it stage-ready, offering clear, natural amplification with an onboard tuner discreetly placed in the sound hole for convenience. Players praise the balanced tones and impeccable build quality, noting how the sound improves with age as the wood matures. The low action and precise intonation make it a joy to play, whether you're strumming chords or picking intricate melodies. Thanks for watching. We hope this review of the top 5 best acoustic guitars of 2024 helped you find your next instrument. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest gear reviews and tips. Let us know in the comments which guitar caught your eye, and happy strumming on your musical journey.